Hi friends, good day all. This is Soft Reason. In this lesson, I will be showing you how to design your cover page for your calculation sheet. Okay, just something like this. Okay, something like this. This is how I do my own. Okay, so before we continue, I want to show you how you can save this image from your Protastructure 3D. Okay, so I will minimize this and I bring up the Protastructure. So you can have something like this. Okay, when you get something like this in 3D, then you go to file and then create thumbnail from active view. Okay, all right, you can also shift it inward. Okay, so as to get a full view of it. All right, just like this. Okay, just like this. Just like this. Then you go back to file and still take a picture. Okay, for the sake of this lesson, I've taken some pictures. Okay, I've taken some pictures. You can see them here. Okay, these are the picture I took. All right, from Protastructure. Okay, this picture will save in the directory where this file is saved in the Prota data. Okay, inside of your document. All right, after which you can now go into the Microsoft Word. All right, so that we can be able to do something like this based on that picture. Okay, and so let's start. All right, so we click on file. All right, click on file, click on the new. All right, in this new, we are going to use this template. Okay, so you click on this template. All right, so once you click on this template, you will be having something like this. Deactivate this. Okay, you will be having something like this. Okay, this is 2 pages. Okay, all right, so we are going to crop this because we don't need this particular image here. Okay, so you click on it. Once you click on it, you will go to format. All right, and then click on this cropped. Okay, all right, so you hold down your left mouse button and drag it down. All right, to this point. Okay, then you click. So once you click, you notice that that part has been removed. Okay, so you can also bring this now up. All right, to some extent. All right, so just like this. Okay, so the next thing you need to do, we have to now bring in the 3D. Okay, so you click here. All right, make sure you click here. Okay, and then you go to insert. Okay, you can also change this picture if you don't like this background. Okay, if you click on this, all right, you can click on the drawing tool. All right, in the drawing tool you can't go to shape fill. Okay, you click there and then you come to picture. All right, if you come to picture, it will take you to your computer. All right, where you can be able to navigate to any image you want to put in this place. Okay, all right, so that is it. All right, so we will go to we'll go to insert. Okay, then you click on. Okay, before then you click on this point. Make sure you click on this point, don't click on the image. Okay, then under insert, under illustrations panel, click on picture. All right, it will take you to this directory. It may take you to other directory. You have to navigate to where you have your 3ds. Okay, so you will, I want to use this one, so I click on this one and then I will click on insert. Right, so you will notice that once I click on insert, it doesn't insert in this particular area. Okay, so it comes to the second page, so I want to use this point to bring it up. All right, and so you click on this top and bottom. Okay, you click on it, it will goes up. All right, to this point, so this is it here. All right, this is it. So the next thing you need to do here, okay, you have to remove this background, but by then we will need to crop it. Okay, so we will have to crop this. All right, so for us to be able to crop it, you click on cropped. All right, and so we click on this axis and move it close to it this way, just like this, and this side is something just like this. Okay, we may not necessarily tamper with the length. Okay, so click, double click outside. Alright, so this is cropped. Okay, and it's movable. Okay, you can move it. Alright, so the next thing we need to, we want to remove the background, the white background. Okay, so for us to do that, you click on this remove background. Okay, once you click on this remove background, you see a dialog, a tabs. Alright, where you can do some changes. Alright, so you should look at this small square lines that cover it. Make sure the square lines cover it very well, because any part that is covered by the square line will be cut off. Okay, So we want to move this one up a little bit so you can cover the whole area. Okay, just like this. Then do the same thing here. Okay, and then you extend this side as well. Okay, just something like this. Okay, so now click on the keep changes. You click on it, so you can see the white background is being removed. Okay, and so you can also send this back. Okay, you can send this image to the back of this particular background. Okay, by clicking on this point. Okay, then you click on behind text, so it will send behind this particular background. If you click on the top, okay, and bottom, it will bring it up. So that is it. Okay, so you now move it down, all right, to some extent here. All right, you leave it here. Okay, all right. So the next thing you need to do now is you are going to insert another text here. Okay, another image with a different view. Okay, hope you are getting it. All right, so you go back to insert. Okay, and then you click on picture again. Once you click on picture, this time around we are going to insert this, then you insert it. It will also come to the second page, as you can see. Okay, so you have to click on this point. Okay, this layout options, and then you take it to the top. Okay, so once it goes to the top, you can see it is also not behind, it is on the top. Okay, so you take it behind. Okay, we want this one to go behind. Okay, so you click here and then you click on behind. All right, so if you click on behind, you can see it has gone behind this particular image. Okay, the ground image. Okay, so you click on this. Is this also adjustable? Okay, and you have to adjust it. Okay, you can also expand it, or so you can fit in the area. Okay, just like this, just like this. Okay, just like this. All right, so you can also bring it up, and then just like this, bring it up like this. Okay, just like this. All right, so once you are done with that, you can also increase this, make this more bigger. Okay, make this one bigger this way. Please, if you are not subscribed to this channel, kindly support the channel by subscribing. Okay, for more video. Okay, all right, so once you have something like this, this is what we are expecting. Okay, so we can now be able to change this. We can change this particular color by using under picture tools format. Okay, so you come to colors, you click, you can see different color. We can decide to apply this. It depends on the one you want to apply. Okay, so I will like to look for one of these. Okay, I can decide to apply this. Okay, I click on it. All right, you can see. All right, so the next thing is we will want to put our bearing capacity here, just the way it is in this one that I did. Okay, just the way it is in the one that I did before. Okay, so what next we are going to do, you come to insert. Okay, under insert you come to shapes, then you just pick this rectangle. Okay, in this rectangle you just draw a rectangle here. Okay, you click by this side and extend it. All right, so you click inside, double click inside, or you click and right click, then add text. Okay, in the add text you will see a cursor telling you to type text. Okay, so you can now type want to type soil bearing capacity. So soil bearing capacity. Okay, so you just do backspace and then you put equals to, okay, you backspace again and then put 150. Okay, kilo Newton. Okay, then per meter square. Let's change this to small letter. Okay, like this. Then you can't align this, you come to home, then you bring it up, so it serves as a square. Okay, Alright, so you can also expand this, okay, or you click on this point, you click on the enter button, so you have something like this. Also, you can remove the background of this image, okay, but by then you can also increase uh the font, okay, be something like this, okay, something like this. All right, so you come to format, okay, come to format, and then you come to this field, okay, and then you click on none, okay, then you will not have anything. Yeah, you can also add a color to this, okay, go back to your home. All right, and then you click on this point and add a color that will be suitable for you, or that will make the view more brilliant, okay. I think this one. All right, so that is it for this, okay. So the next thing you need to do is we have to highlight all of this, and then we will delete, okay. I want to also delete this, okay. I want to delete this too. I don't need all these ones, okay. So this is just what I need here, okay. So by then we will have to remove this page, alright, okay. We don't want this page, okay. So click here and you click on this. Once you click on this, if you go up, you will see a page break, okay. So you click by this point, highlight this to the end, okay, just like this, then click on delete. All right, then click on this point again to deactivate it. You see the page has been removed, okay. So you are now going to type in this box, we are going to type design of for story office complex building, okay. So you bring this up so you can see this. All right, and you can also extend this to this point and move this just like this, okay. Then you can't click on the enter button, okay. Then you move the cursor to the center of this point, okay, just like this, and then you type 4, you enter again. All right, Mr. Mrs. Grace, okay, Grace Albert Young, okay, Young. So you will move this to the center of just like this, okay. Then enter again, you extend this, okay, and then you will use this art, okay, that is shift, or your shift key, then press the 2 key, okay. And so you will add this one. Now is the location, okay. The location is town planning way, okay. Port Harcourt, okay, just like this. So you can also move this to the center, okay, just like this. Then you can add, you can change this to 12, okay, and you make it a area black. Okay, just like this. The same thing you do here. Okay, and you change the font just like this. You bring this down a little bit and you take this back. Okay, so you will also have to go to insert. Once you go to insert, you go to shape. Okay, you go to shape and you click on this point and then you draw a shape here. You will expand it. Okay, just like this. Okay, and then you add text. Right click and add text. Okay, then you will do design. Okay, by you enter soft reason. Okay, just like this. Okay, you can also remove the background of this. Okay, by going to this shape field. Okay, and you will click on no field. Now if you click on no field, you will not see anything because you are using just a white color. Okay, so you undo. All right, so all you need to do is to change this color. Okay, you go to home, come to this point and you can make the color black. Okay, if you make it black, now you come back to just drawing and tools and fill, then you can be able to remove it now, and then you can see if you go back to home. Okay, you can click on this one and maybe you make it this way. Okay, just like this. Okay, and also you can remove, go back to drawing and tool format, you remove the outlines. Okay, no outlines. Okay, it's just like this. All right, so the next thing you will do, you can also add a kind of a background to this particular area. Okay, you go back to insert. All right, then go to rectangle. All right, so you click on this point, click on this point and then you drag by holding down your left mouse. Okay, then you click on this point. Okay, right, when you click on this point, you will notice that the whole thing here has been covered. Okay, so you can now go to drawing and tool. Okay, when you come to this point, you come to shape field. Okay, you can come to this place and then you will be able to use any of these colors that interest you. Okay, you can use any of these colors that interest you. For me, I may prefer this one. I click on it. Okay, so I want to send this back. Okay, so I click on this point and then I send it behind. Okay, so when you send it behind, you have something like this. Okay, so this is just it. Okay, if this lesson has helped you in one way or the other, kindly support the channel by subscribing. Okay, so this is the lesson. So after you must have done this, we are not going to print it, but we are going to publish it. Okay, you publish it so that it will come out this way. Okay, all right, so what you need to do is you just go to file. Okay, once you go to file, you come to export. Okay, then click on this. Okay, this. So once you click on it, you take it to a directory where it will ask you to save it. Okay, so this is my document. All right, so I can just give it a name as cover. All right, cover for card. Okay, so I will publish it in PDF. Okay, click on publish. So, all right, so you can see it has published in PDF. This is it in PDF. All right, so you can also convert it to a PNG files. Okay, so by clicking on this convert and then click on this particular to image, it will convert it to PNG if you are using this type of PDF. Okay, so this is the lesson for today. Okay, kindly subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Okay, so you can also, if you check this particular still you notice that the outline is coming out. You can't come to this shape outlines and then to make it none, so you will not see anything. Okay, then you go back and do the conversions again. All right, so this is the lesson. This is your cover page for your calculation sheet. Okay, kindly subscribe this channel, share the video as you support the channel. Remain blessed. Thanks and bye for now.